I'm your host, Aviva Davis. Let's take a peek into Geek of Chic.
I do have the great pleasure of introducing Billy Whitehouse, the founder and CEO of the most innovative fitness apparel on the market, GEEKS.
Hey geeks, welcome back to another episode of Geek of Chic, the fashion tech web series where fashion meets function. Now I'm on site here in New York City for one of the largest tech startups in the US. I'm here at the 2018 New York Tech Day. So come join me as I check out the latest in gadgets, wearables, and apps that are coming to you in the near future. So I am here with Walter Charnazon, who is the CEO, the man who heads up this whole Tech Day in New York City. Walter, what does Tech Day 2018 in New York mean to you right now?
So Virgilia is an expert in branding. When you do look for any type of tech wearable fashions, what do you look for?
So I think we are looking at the functionality of the product. Secondly, we are looking that the product is as harmless as possible and the material is as high-tech as possible and very innovative and create a very unique experience for the consumer.
Have you seen anything yet?
We are here with Plum Perfect. It's a very innovative app. Women, we all love to look great, but we don't want to spend a lot of time investing in searching for the right product. Could you please explain to us what is this app doing and how it makes our life easier?
Yeah, of course. Hey geeks, welcome back to another edition of Geek of Chic, the fashion tech web series that brings you all the new stuff in fashion tech design. And we're about to catch the coolest fashion show in the universe here at the Maker Faire 2018 in New York. Geeks, I'm here with performer Katya, and she's going to tell us about her amazing use of technology, fashion, and music, and how that all blends together.
Thank you. Hi. I design costumes. So I sing, I write, I design costumes. So I made this cyber suit with the light-up corset. It's 3D printed.
Welcome to Epson's New York Fashion Week 2018 Digital Couture Project. This is a great event, New York Fashion Week. We're all talking about fashion and technology, the marriage of the two. Explain more.
Well, Epson is pleased to bring the 4th annual Digital Couture project, where we've commissioned 13 designers to create unique creations, all printed on Epson digital textile printing equipment.
I'm here with Liz Hill, who's a 3D printing expert. She specializes in jewelry. She has her own line and also works for Coach. And she's going to teach us all about how 3D printing works.
Hey geeks, it's me, Natasha Pellick, your host of Geek is Chic, and we're here at CES 2019, where you're going to see wearable technology. We're going to go over all the latest and the greatest in the heart, in the world's biggest technology expo on the planet. So, for instance, if I wore the belt and I wanted to lose, let's say, 4 inches off my waist, the belt would help me do that.
Yeah, we've gone through some validation process with New York University back in the US, and we proved that waist reduction of 0.8 inches happens after 12 weeks after wearing our belt. Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful. So you get positive feedback or sometimes negative feedback, like maybe you should stop drinking all that beer.
Like,
oh, look at that. Oh, goodness, you're doing so good. And you're in Las Vegas.
You're watching Geek of Chic.
My name's Alea from 3BBM, and you're watching Geek of Chic.
Hi, I'm Isabella from BMG Models, and you're watching Geek of Chic.
Are you guys ready for it? Stay geeky.